The Lamborghini Temerario. The Huracán is gone. The V10, one of the greatest, most soulful engines ever made, has sung its last song. The automotive world held its breath. Fans were terrified. Was Lamborghini going soft? Were they bowing to regulations and going quiet? The answer is the Temerario. And the answer is absolutely no. They ditched the V10, but they replaced it with something equally insane, a bespoke 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that spins to a screaming 10,000 RPM. Let that sink in for a second. 10,000 PM. That is motorcycle territory. That is Formula One territory. Most turbocharged engines run out of breath at 7,000, choking on their own air. This one, it features a flat, plain crankshaft and a hot V configuration that keeps the turbos spinning violently. At redline, it isn't just making noise, it is shrieking. It is just clearing its throat. The design is a radical evolution of the Lamborghini DNA. It is obsessive about one shape, the hexagon. The daytime running lights are hexagons, piercing the darkness. The massive exhaust tip is a hexagon. It is sharp, angular, and looks like a spaceship that crash-landed in Santa Agata. The aerodynamics are integrated into the bodywork, using fixed channels rather than giant hydraulic wings, improving downforce by over 100% compared to the Huracán Evo. The rear bumper is cut away, leaving the massive rear tires exposed, giving it a raw, mechanical look. It is smaller than the flagship Revuelto, tighter, more agile, a street fighter compared to a heavyweight boxer. Inside, it is a fighter jet cockpit designed for a pilot. The start button is hidden under a red flip cover, triggering a dopamine hit like a missile launch sequence. The pilot interaction. Philosophy gives you 3 screens, one for the driver, one in the center, and one for the passenger, so they can watch the speed climb and scream in terror. The seats are thin, rigid, and sculpted from carbon fiber. You don't just sit in this car, you wear it like an exoskeleton. But the powertrain is the headline. That high-revving V8 is combined with 3 axial, flux electric motors. One is sandwiched between the engine and the dual clutch transmission to fill torque gaps instantly, and 2 are on the front axle. The total output: 907 horsepower. 0 to 60 is decimated in just 2.7 seconds. But Lamborghini didn't just build this for numbers. They built it for fun. It features a dedicated drift mode that allows you to slide the tail out with the precision of a surgeon. The torque vectoring is magic. The electric motors on the front don't just pull you. They steer the car, pulling you out of corners while the V8 screams behind your head. It is a hybrid, sure, but it is not here to save the polar bears. It is a hybrid designed to scare you, priced around $350,000. It is technically the entry-level Lamborghini, yet it outperforms the multi-million-dollar hypercars of yesterday. The Temerario proves that hybridization doesn't have to mean boring. In the hands of Lamborghini, it means more power, more speed, and more noise. The bull is not dead. It is just angrier.